Let's try this new SMG. Are you liking that new SMG or no?
Which SMG?
The static.
Recoil is there.
Yeah, without attachments. I don't know how they are shooting like as though it's a laser beam. Maybe you need that quartermaster. What are you doing?
Quartermaster and flash. But trust me, I'll tell you this. BP50 is better than that. As an SMG using BP50 with jack
Which one is better, you said?
BP50
BP50, yeah.
with conversion kit.
That I haven't used. Have you tried the BAL 27? That I had very good
No,
success
no.
with. I got a lot of kills with that.
I did not.
I think the time when I got 23 kills, right? I got it with that BAL 27 only. And that too, now that
Yeah,
conversion kit
that
has
was
come.
meta.
Yeah. No, when I used it, it wasn't
I
even
think
meta.
that
They
is
had
still
nerfed it
meta.
already. Really? After the conversion kit, I haven't tried. I should try that. But it's very good. It's a bullpup design and it has a 7.62 caliber. I think that's pretty good. And
If,
now some 50
yeah,
cal or I don't know what conversion it has.
like in US, you can keep guns at home. In
Yeah.
Canada, is it the same?
Yeah, you can, but not. You can't go buy a Ram 7 and keep it in your house, right? That is not allowed. You can have hunting rifles
US it
and
is allowed, I think.
.22 caliber. No, no. You can't buy anything. You can't buy a Desert Eagle and just keep it like that.
Oh,
Or you can't buy a Barrett 50 to 50 cal sniper and just expect to be fine with it.
okay.
அப்ப
So
என்னதான்
it is
சொல்ல வரா?
limited. Unlike US.
Hunting rifles and .22 caliber you can have maximum, I think. M4 you might be able to have, but a different version of it, like a milder version of it.
Yeah, you won't get carbine, right?
Yeah, yeah, no carbine.
Guys,
Nice.
take contract, do contract.
Somebody's watching.
Enemies are there, man. She got me. I marked right. That is the house.
What? He's shooting through the metal, man.
Come inside, come inside.
Hold on, hold on. He's coming. Be careful.
What the hell, man?
What?
He pre-fired. Let's see if he saw me. That is bullshit. I am shooting with an SMG. Of course, stack revolver is very powerful. That's what I use. But the way he killed me, that was not convincing. I shot him first.
Some fight is going here. ஆள் அடிக்கிறானுடா.
என்னடா அது ஏதோ வந்து அடிச்சது.
இதுடா ட்ரோன், பாம் ட்ரோன்.
அது எப்படி நான் காட்டுல
எல்லாமே
இருந்து
யூஸ்
வரும்போது
பண்றானே இப்போ
கரெக்டா.
எனிமி. ஏம் போட்டு தான் வரணும்.
சாவடி உழுது செமி ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் வச்சு அடிக்கிறான்.
ஒருத்தனை டவுன் பண்ணிட்டான். பட் அவன் ரிவைவ் பண்ண போறான் ஃப்ரெண்டா. ஷிட்.
அத ரெட் மார்க்கரா?
ஆமா. பொசிஷன் ஏதா இருந்தா போட்டு விடு.
டோன்ட் நோ.
வண்டி வருது. எங்கடா
அது
போனாங்க?
தெரியல, நான் தேர்மல் வச்சிருக்கிறது. ஸ்மோக் வச்சு தூக்கி போட்டிருக்காங்க. இங்கதான் இருக்காங்க.
இல்லடா ஒருத்தனை டவுன் பண்ணாடா. நாய் ரிவைவ் பண்ணிருச்சு. அவன் ஃப்ரெண்டு போயிட்டு 2 பேர் இருக்கானுங்க.
கீழே வரான் பாரு.
யாரோ வராங்க.
என்னடா இவ்வளோ ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக லாக் பண்ணிடுச்சான்? உனக்கே அடி உழுது.
வாலக்
பண்ணிட்டான்.